example, that is simply supported beam with UDL. Beam with UDL. So this is a simply supported beam with UDL. So as we discussed previously, so what is the first step in the calculation of plastic hinge length? The first step in the calculation of plastic hinge length is drawing the bending moment diagram. For the simply supported beam with center point toward, how the bending moment diagram? It is a parabola. So for a simply supported beam with UDL, the bending moment diagram is parabola. Maximum at the center. Okay, so at the maximum bending moment, there occurs MP. There occurs MP. So now from this location, so from this point at some location, there exists a value that is known as My. In the same way here also, as because of symmetry, exactly from the same distance, there exists My. Now how to calculate this? So this is a parabola. So now I am going to consider this center as a origin. So this has a x-axis and this has a y-axis. Agree? So from this is origin. So from this at a distance of x, there exists My. Clear? So at a distance of L/2, there exists MP. So now if you see here, we are considering origin. So I am going to invert it so that you will understand much clearly. So I am going to invert it. So this is a parabola what we have considered there, and this is a point C. Okay, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So from here at a distance of x, here the value is My and total value is MP and this is My. So how much this value? So this value is MP minus My. Yes or no? At a distance x. Now at a distance of L/2, how much this is? MP. So now this is a parabola having an equation. So what is the equation of parabola? Passing through the origin and symmetrical about y-axis. So what is the equation of parabola passing through the origin and symmetrical about x-axis? The equation is y is equal to kx square. The equation of parabola passing through the origin and symmetrical about y-axis is y is equal to some kx square. From this we can write it as y by x square is equal to k. Agree or not? So now in this I am going to consider the two parabolas. So what are those two parabolas here? So this is the center point considered as C, and this is A and this is B, and this point DE. So here I am going to consider a similar parabola. So what are those similar parabolas? So similar parabolas ABC. So ABC is a one parabola and another is DEC. So this is one parabola. See here, DCE is one parabola and ACB is one parabola. DCE is one parabola. So now what is the equation of parabola? Y by x square is equal to k. So now we can write that as y1 by x1 square is equal to y2 by x2 square. So now y is the value. This is the values of y. Okay, these are the values of y. The values on the graph is called as y in y direction, and next direction is taken as x. So now from the equation of parabola and the curve by basing the concept of similar parabola. So now y. So first consider y. So this is y. mp minus my by y2. So y2 is mp is equal to x. So this is x square and this is x2. So which is L by 2 whole square. So now in this diagram, what is meant by plastic hindrance? So plastic hindrance is nothing but 2x. So plastic hindrance LP is equal to 2x. So from that, can we calculate x value? Yes, of course we can calculate x value. So how to calculate here? MP by MP is 1 minus my by MP is 1 by shape factor. So upon simplifying, how we are going to get? 1 minus 1 by shape factor is equal to x square by L by 4, L square by 4. So now take this L square by 4 to this side. So finally how we are going to get x is equal to L by 2 under root 1 minus 1 by shape factor. This is how we are going to get. So now from this the plastic hindrance LP is going to twice the x. So which is equal to L into under root 1 minus 1 by shape factor. So from this we can write plastic hindrance LP is equal to L into under root 1 minus 1 by shape factor. So this is a plastic hindrance. For a simply supported beam with UDL, this is the plastic hindrance. LP is equal to L into under root 1 minus 1 by shape factor. So write down. So this is the most complicated case. See, in examination they will not give the they will not ask to find out the plastic hindrance for complicated bending moment diagram case. The reason the equation is complicated. So this is the most complicated thing that they can ask in examination. So more than that, the question will not go. So more than this, the question will not go. So mostly this is a complicated case in the calculation of plastic hindrance. That is what going to ask in examination. More than that, the question will not go away from it or out of it. So take it down.